Welcome this video. Create flower pot idea for outside space, outdoor space, whether long gardening or cozy balcony can be transforming into vibrant hen with the simple act for flower pots. Those contain are area just for hold plants, then an opportunity to expose will create burst cover pair will bring color and life to an outdoor setting. Whether you work with a scrolling backyard, a front porch, or a smart patio, the right flower pot idea can enhance your outdoor aesthetic signification. Belong are inspire flower pot idea to elevate your explored space. Flower pot display arrangement allow you to create layout of color and height. Use and set to pouch in define size place on a or style plant. Start by sticking on setup. You can mix plants type like trend upright, more goat and compact to create various interior. This is explore effective man entrance way a long wall to draw the eyes around. Choose color pouch for a clean look. Mix and match for a more electric gardening space. And flower pots. If you short on gardening, space to go. Various hen flower pots are idea for balcony, pergola fence, or even trend branch. Choose plants trending or sweet for a flower effective. Hand backing make fiber or hold add a boho touch. Installing wall movement, calling hold for easy spaces during to root repurposed upcycle pot. Old image can become quick charm flower pot. Use metal broken wood created or even roll boast as unique constraint. This aspect is effective for rustic or flower pot style gardening and give old adjust a new lost on leaf. Window box flower pot. Moment long shed flower pot in window home or balcony rain for a classic cottage gardening effect. Trend and upright pot together to create full lead thing. Window box brighten up down wall and add charm to any outdoor area. Installing a shift water line to keep your flower with blast effective. Theme flower pot arrangement. Create theme